thinking maybe things were never the way we made them out to be, how we thought they were. Lately, I'm not sure. One thing for sure is when we're together, we're toxic as ever. Make no mistake, all the roads lead to we shouldn't be together. I don't know why I still play into your palm, even though I know what you want. Been twisted of you so long. Oh, cause it's complicated, far from simple. Always find a way to dodge these issues. Can't seem to shake it, not for nothing. The problem is we're not discussing all that screaming, yelling's not becoming to you. Things just can't be fixed without a time. No, you know not anymore, no. And I can't wait till we find a way to part ways. Seems like your days are dark days. Seems like you're mad at the small things. And it seems like you're playing it the hard way. We fight through the night all day. I still don't know why I still play into your phone, even though I know you want. I've been twisted on you for so long, for so long, girl. Yeah. Got me twisted, I could only wait for so long, girl. Waited so long, but we got no time, no. Oh, babe.
Sing a song to support what you said. Do you want to sing or do you want us to sing a song for you?
We all back together. Make you weaker than high now. I'm gone, so faded, I'm on one. make me strong.